ఫోటో టైమర్ పెట్టు, వీడియో పెట్టు.
Very good morning, Rangers. This is Black Ranger reporting live from streets of Hyderabad for now. First time riding with Johnny. Let's go. A long way to go.
Dreaming, yeah. Up for 32 hours, no sleeping, yeah. And I gotta get out of this space I'm in. Walls closing, tank full and I'm drowning. I feel lost, full of sorrow, I'm dying to get back out, in front of you. To get back out in front of you. But I'm drowning.
పట్టుకో. అరే gone రా.
We have taken a break now. We had to because bro,
చలి ఎట్లుందంటే
cold is insane bro.
కనిపించలేదు కానీ మాట్లాడుతుంటే వస్తుంది కదా, కనిపిస్తుందా?
చెయ్యి ఒకసారి. కనిపిస్తుందా? బండ్లన్నీ ఇక్కడ సేఫ్గా ఉన్నాయి.
Oh my god,
you're not smoking bro?
Yeah.
That is the cold. So we are still at this chai place. అరే టిఫిన్ సెంటర్ కూడా ఉందిరా. It's 13 degrees సెంటిగ్రేడ్ ఉంది. ఇష్టంగా కష్టంగా ఉందన్నమాట. ఓకే, this is the place where we stopped. Bro, it's damn cold. Thank you.
What's the point of getting out if everything I touch it goes a different route? Oh, tell me what's the point of getting out? All along I've been daydreaming. In the bottom of the ocean. Give them what they want.
అరే నైస్ టెంట్ రా.
I'm on a mission, I'm focusing on my vision. Never see competition, cause all I know is I'm winning. Always knew I was different, I knew it since the beginning. I told them they never listen, but now they see that I'm gifted. I really put in the work, risking for my reward. Put my feet in the dirt and also water the soil. Eat products for dinner, I'm screaming out, give me more. I know my future is brighter, that's why I gotta endure.